If you're looking to save money and want an easy, compact way to dry your clothes without taking up a lot of space, check this out. I'm Brooke with WTI, and LIENAHU's clothes drying rack holds a full load of laundry. I can use hangers or lay it over the poles. There's 16 poles, and it extends to 48 feet tall. And with these poles, there is enough ventilation between the clothing that it dries wonderfully. It rotates, and I can turn it if I want, and it's easy to store and put away. And everything about it, once it's open, is stable. So wind is not going to tip this over. I find that they made it incredibly well. I appreciate it. I have had success while using it indoors and outdoors, and is now my favorite product. It has grooves as well, making hanging it with hangers easy, or laying it flat, which is another favorite. And it continues to impress me, and it adds a lot to my family. I love it, but that's just my point of view.